Hello guys, this is Ghost Power. So today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money online. So you are going to make up to $20 to $100 online if you use this method continuously, and it depends on how much you spend your internet connection on this application. That is how you can make a lot of money with this application. I have talked about this application on my last video, so you can just check everything out and see the step-by-step guide I will show you on this video, and try it out to see what we suit to what you want. I have a lot of people asking me to make this video, so just check the video out and see if it's something that really solve your problem. And yeah, so let us head over to my computer now. Let me show you how it works. So guys, I'm going to show you, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $20 to $100 online. How you can make up to $20 to $100 online. Before we get into this video of today, so I just wanted to show you that if you see this video I made yesterday, and when I talk about how you can create your website, and I take about 1 hour plus how you can create your website and make money out of it. So is this video here, you just need to go and watch it, which is interesting, and you will learn a lot of things how you can create your WordPress website. So yeah, so I don't want to take your time. Let us just dive into this our new video. So today, from the beginning I told you that you are going to make up to $20 from $20 to $100. So yeah, so I'm going to take you to this website that will allow you to make money online for free. So this is the website. As you can see, this is Honeygain. I'll be talking about this website because I've been making money from it, and yeah, so that is why I'm sharing it continuously on this my YouTube channel here. So if you are on this video, you will know that I have been making money with Honeygain, and I have been talking about it continuously. And yeah, so how does this website Honeygain work? I know it's what you will be wondering on your head. How do I make money with this website Honeygain? So how you make money with Honeygain is very simple. You can see here, it's a passive income effectively. So you can see at the bottom here, it say you can it say with Honeygain you can make money by simply sharing your internet connection. Yes, it's very simple. So all you do on Honeygain is to download the first is you have to download the application, which is available on iPhone, is available on Android, is available on Windows, even Mac is available. So download the application. Once you click on download here, it will be downloaded on your computer, and you will now register. So once you are done downloading application, or on your computer or on your smartphone, you can use it in both ways. So they recommend that you should use at least one account, at least can use 3 devices on this website. So I'll go into that later, but click on download and you have to click on register. So to register is just with your email and password. So if I click on this dashboard section before I go into details about this application, is that you need, and now I can sign up, but I don't need to. So to sign up, you just need to click on sign up here. All you just need to do, enter your email and password, and you just click on sign up. They don't need to enter your first name, last name. They just want your email and password, and that is only what you want. And they will send you an email to verify your account. So once you receive the email, you click on it, your account will be verified. So once your account will be verified, you just need to go back again and log into your account. So before we log into our account, let me share some tips and how you can multiply your earnings if you are using this application, which is called Honeygain. So on Honeygain, if you scroll down here, you can see on Trust. Why I love this website, on Trustpilot, you can see they have 6,819 reviews on Trustpilot. If we check how much traffic this website is getting each month, if I click on SimilarWeb, you will see that this website is ranking in India. You can see that this website is ranking 11 million, is getting 11 million visitors each month. This website, which is called Honeygain, is getting 11 million visitors each month. It's a huge website. So if we scroll down here, and let us scroll down a bit, you can see it's an easy way to earn passive income online. It says start earning with Honeygain and using money, use the money to pay for streaming platform. You know, they are just telling you what you can use this money to do. But this depends on you. They're just giving you kind of idea what you can use this money to do once you get it. So you can use it to watch video, do whatsoever you want. They're just giving you what you can do. And you can see here, it say aim without compromising. It says security. You can see, say Honeygain ensure that your traffic ensure that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to your storage of your device. So yeah, and if you scroll down here again, let us scroll down again. So they're just telling us that sharing our internet to this platform is that they are not going to have access to our data, our photos, or our account information, or whatsoever that we have, or our privacy on our phone. Only what they have to have access to is just our internet connection. That is all we do. So what they are doing here is that there's a company that is partnering with Honeygain, and that is how they are making their money. So there's a company that is using our internet, and that is how they are making money, and they are paying us what your internet is and used for. So you see, once you start using Honeygain, your device act like view towers, and help world famous business to access the world wide web without having worry about location based on restriction or consulship. So you understand what you are talking about here. So if you scroll down again here, say estimate your earnings. So now I'm going to talk about tips on how you can estimate your earnings. So if you come down here now, let me say, for example, if you are sharing this type of, let me say, if I'm sharing like daily traffic share, if I'm sharing at least 2 to 5 MB, you can see how much I'll be making. 2 to 5 MB, I will be making estimate of, let me say, up to, let me say, maybe $10 or $5. You can see more I like, if, let me say, for example, I increase it. If I spend 2 MB, I'm going to be making $49 monthly. So yeah, with 2 IP address. So if I'm using 2 IP address, I'm going to be making this amount of money. Here you can see 2 IP, which is 2 IP recommended if you want to be making $49 each month. So let me say, for example, I increase it to like 8 gig with let me say, I will go up again like 4 IP, which is, I'm going to be making let me say, for example, I'll be making now $73 each month. So you can just estimate how much you can calculate and like set it up and see how much you will be making each month by just doing that. So once you set it up, you can see that you can set a budget, how much you'll be making each month on this application on your smartphone or on your computer. So you can estimate how much you want to be making each month. So let us scroll down again. So here it said factors that influence how much you earn. So you can see it say your location, your earnings depend on the traffic demand requires for our business. Clients as well as the number of the users in your area. So you can come down here again. It said the number of IP address. The number of IP address, which is what I just talked about, that you can have at least maximum of 3 devices on your smartphone. You can use 3 devices, and it said the more IP address your device are connected to, the more you can earn more money. So you can see that the more IP address you are using with that one of your accounts, that is how you can like earn more money with this method. So if you scroll down again here, you can see on this section that say network ping speed. So you can see say to hit the sweet spot aims for speed of 50 Mbps and the ping of 50 ms. For more details, feel free to refer to our support. Let me say, for example, These they are just trying to let you to understand that if you want to know more details and how you can speed up your earnings, you can contact them for them to give you ideas and details and like information on how you can like increase your earnings. So but I just give you details on how you can increase your earnings. You have to use multiple devices, and other way you can still use to increase your earning is by like using multiple device and referral program. So they have their referral program, and that is what is good. So what I like about this website is that if you see this box here, if I click on it, you will see it's telling me that if I sign up for just signing up, they are going to give me $5 for just signing up. So it's what we are going to talk at the end of this video. So that is it. So to sign up, you are going to get that amount, $5 for just joining this program. And as you can see here, first, you need to set up your account, run it on your smartphone, and gather the coin, which is the bit. And here again, you can scroll down here. I know you'll be wondering how you are going to receive your money. You can see this section. So to receive your money, you can get your money on PayPal, Bitcoin, or JMPT, which is the account they are like connected to this platform that you can use to redeem your any if you want. And under the bottom here, you can see where you can contact their support, like enter here to get help from them. But you already have an idea and tips on how you can like increase your earnings. So once you are done with that, click on download. You can download it on your smartphone or on your computer. So now we are going to move to the part where you are going to register. So to register is very simple. Like I said, I will just click on dashboard, this section, click on dashboard. So when I click on dashboard, it's going to open up this page here. So let me say I don't have my account. I will just enter email, password, and I will click on sign me in. But since I already have my information, I will just click on log in, and I will just click on enter my information, email and password, and I will click on log in. So once I do that, it's going to log into my account. As you can see now, this is my earning. I have $4.87 on my account currently right now. But the minimum amount to cash out on Honeygain is $20. So you need to have at least minimum amount of $20 to cash out here. You can see it here. So that is what I want to talk about too. You can see that if I come down here on my referrals earning, so you can see that I have referred 37 people under me, and I have made almost $1 plus from these people, which is not everybody that is available. But if, let me say for example, it's everyone that I have referred that is always active, this earning will increase. It's just that a few of them that have been earning money. So yeah, and you say average, this is the average referral per user. So this is the average I'm making for each person that is I refer to this program. You can see average sum per a referral. So you can see this is what I'm making from each person that I've referred to this program. This shows that people are not really using this application. So that is why I want you to use the link, the second link or the first link. You just click on it and you will register, and yeah, I will be the one that will refer you to this program. So that is what I want you to understand on this program. So let me show you proof that I've received money from this program. I will click on this section that says transaction history. If I click on transaction history here, you will see that I have made $20 here. I have made $20 here. So this is to show you proof that I've really earned money from this website, which is called Honeygain. If I click on overview here, it's going to show us how much we are making today, how much we make in last 30 days and then 4 days. It will show you the progress of how much you have earned, so that you know that next month I will increase my strategy, my ways that I'm using to earn money with this method. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. If there is anything I didn't cover on this video, because I showed you how you can estimate how much you will earn, I showed you how you can like increase your earning, how many devices that is recommended. Like what I said, 3 devices is recommended with different IP address, which is different internet connection. And please, all I just want you to do, if you are enjoying this video, just click on that subscribe button. That is only what I ask from you, nothing more. So yeah, and we are going to end this video from here. Like what I say again, let us go back to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget again to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like what I say again, on this video, you see that you will receive your earning on PayPal or on your Bitcoin I say Bitcoin on your paper account or on your Bitcoin address. So don't forget again. So that is the payment method, because a lot of time many of you have been asking me, what is the payment method? What is the payment method? How long will it take me? It depends on the internet connection you share, and it depends on the businesses that is on that your area. That is how much you will make more money. Let me say there's a lot of businesses on that your country that is requesting for this internet sharing. For this internet sharing, you will see that you will start making a bunch of money if you have a bunch of people. Let me say, for example, people like in US, they are really making a bunch of money with this method. So I don't know in your own country how much you can earn by using this method. Like I said again, this method is available on your smartphone, is available on your computer. So I'm going to end the video from here. I will say thank you very much, and again, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope that this video really helped you. If it helped you, please leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you soon on my other video, a way on how you can make money online. So thank you very much. Don't forget again, leave me a comment and leave me your progress on this application. I'll say thank you and peace.